Paano nga ba kung ninakawan ka na? Patatawarin mo pa rin ba? I've learned this from Angela Dab, the owner of Access Travel. Napanood ko siya sa isang podcast. Sinasabi niya na, in business, don't take things personally. Kumbaga, don't burn bridges. And I live with that. Kasi for me, lalo ngayon, nanay ako and also a leader, ang daming umaasa sa akin. Not just about my decisions, but also yung emotions ko. So I really trained myself to be calm as much as possible. And yun nga, to not make things personally. And recently, napanood ko ulit siya na nag-guest siya sa isang podcaster din. Parang naiba yung perspective niya. Sinabi niya doon, she now burns bridges too. And honestly, I can relate. Kasi talaga boundaries change you. Meron tayong level of respect, integrity, and trust na kapag na-violate na, hindi na siya about emotions. It's about standards. Meron isang tao sa amin, may nagawa siya sa company that crossed the line. Then to make the long story short, wala na siya sa company. Then I found out, in-unfriend niya ako, na parang ako na tumulong, hindi lang na magkatrabaho pero ang daming beses ko siyang tinulungan. Parang it hit me. So ngayon, na-realize ko na hindi talaga lahat ng bridges kailangan nating isave. Yung iba doon, kailangan nating sunugin. We have to burn them to protect our peace, our business, especially our standards. So ako, bilhin ako siya. And I'm okay with that.